So there's this Prama swimming pool here at sunset. A few customers outside here. You see that's quite busy there. Here's the name. How are you, madam?
Good.
Oh, she's tired, yeah? Are you tired? Mama tired? You can see the Puri Santrian's very, very popular, always. It's very popular accommodation. This also very... Santrian swimming pool, quite a few guests inside there. Hello brother, how are you?
Jackfish, brother.
Welcome. A few customers here at Jackfish. This one looks quite popular here. There's a big group of tourists sat on the beach there. Good early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So today, or this evening, early evening, I'm here in the Sanur area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in this video for you is an early evening stroll along Semawang beach here in Sanur. So this stroll that I'm going to feature in the video, is the starting point is going to be the Prama resort, and I'm going to walk all the way along the back of the beach, all the way through a nice collection of local Warungs still here on the Semawang beach area of Sanur. So along this walk, as I've stated, I'm going to start at the Prama. You've also Prama resort. You've also got the Puri Santrian resort that's going to be located in this section of beach. So you've got two fabulous accommodations in this area. You've also got a fabulous collection of restaurants that will be featured along the walk also, and then at the end of the video I shall show you a fabulous collection of local Warungs here at the end of the video. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take an early evening stroll here at Semawang Beach, Sanur. Okay, so I'm just here outside the Prama now. It's almost sunset. I'm just going to get ready for my stroll along the beach here in Sanur so we can see what it looks like of a sunset time. You can see the sky starting to change colour in the distance there. Just in the back here, here's the Prama swimming pool area. I'll just take you and show you that for sunset. So there's this Prama swimming pool here at sunset. Now we're going to make our way along the pathway. I'm taking all the restaurants and things along the back of the track here. So it's going to be busy also in that direction, however we can't cover everywhere for sunset. There's your seating area here outside the Prama for sunset. Now we're going to walk along the track. I'll keep popping out onto the beach just to capture the sunset as the sun sets. And we're just going to give you some idea of how busy it's going to be along this section of beach here at sunset. So this is Bobby's bar and restaurant, or restaurant and bar. It's quite busy here, a few customers outside here. You see that's quite busy there. Not really busy inside, nobody inside. There's some of the menu here. Also have a seafood menu. There's the inside of Bobby's Bar and Restaurant. Everybody's sat outside, as you can see. There's a big group here. Here's the beers. There's the name. Now we're going to continue walking along the track. So you can see there's people also sat out on the beach there. Sat on the sand, Indonesian. Next place is called Costa by Monster. Again, you can see there's quite a few customers there at Costa by Monster. Very busy actually outside Costa by Monster. Here's the name, Costa by Monster. Beautiful seating area inside at Costa by Monster also. There's a restaurant area just to the side there. Some beautiful seating inside. Now we'll just carry on along the track. Lots of people here on the bicycles. These are the massage ladies on the beach here. The beds just packing up for the evening now. Some local tourist goods shops all the way. Hello, how are you, madam?
Good.
Oh, she's tired, yeah? Are you tired?
Tired.
Mama tired.
I'm happy.
You're happy, she tired. How are you again? I always see you. Good. So we have all the tourist goods shops all along the back of the beach here, selling all your typical tourist goods. Lots of ladies' clothing, some hats and caps and things there. Some nice colourful bags also. Have a lady here selling some cold drinks and some snacks and things. It's got some crackers there, some pot noodles. Hello madam, how are you? Just continue walking along. So the next along the line is going to be the Puri Santrian. So you can see it's quite busy along this section of track here at the sunset time. People just sat relaxing on the beach. Sky's starting to change colour now. Hopefully we're going to have an impressive sunset, not too sure. So this next place is the very beautiful Puri Santrian. This has a great beach location here. It also has a fabulous facility. I've showed you little bits of this facility in this area in previous videos. So this is where a lot of people are going to sit here for the sunset, just to watch there on the pathway leading out to the ocean. So here's the name, the Puri Santrian. And the pagodas out in the ocean there. Got a little bit of a low tide. So I think sunset's going to be setting in that direction. We'll just take you out and have a look at the sky from on the sky's looking very beautiful. So we'll just continue on a lot. Hello. Continue walking along the track here. You can see the people on the bikes on the left. Some music playing here, hopefully it's not copyright. Have all these beautiful bushes and shrubs and things here. You can see the Puri Santrian's very, very popular always. It's a very popular accommodation. There's also a very popular restaurant area. Nice seating here on the beach. There's a restaurant to the left hand side there. We'll just take you and show you some of the menu here at the Puri Santrian. It's a burger and a sandwich. Pasta and pizza. Some different pizzas there. We're just holding the bikes up. You can see they have a beautiful seating area there. It's very popular. Oh, it's live music that they're playing in the back there. Also have a Western menu as well here. Lots of Western dishes also here available. We'll just continue on along the track. I think the sun's getting ready to set now. So here's a beautiful swinging seat here at the Puri Santrian. Just going to take you in and see the Puri Santrian swimming pool around sunset time. There's a beautiful Puri Santrian swimming pool, quite a few guests inside there. All along there. Impressive elephant. Just carry on back along the track now. The sky's turning a beautiful colour now. The sun has finally set. We've not got too much of a sunset, so it's set on the horizon over in the distance there. Just continue walking along the track. I'm not going to go much further now because there's a bit of a gap until we get to something else now. So all the seating here at the Puri Santrian is already packed up for the evening. And then I'm just going to walk to this pathway that leads out to the beach here. So just here, if you want to, if you're not staying at the Puri Santrian or any of the resorts, there's some sun lounges for rental here. Usual price is 50,000 per sun lounger per person per day. Sometimes they try and ask you for 100. And then we're just coming to a little section of shops that's going to be here in a moment. Now we're arriving at a little collection of shops. And then just from a little collection of shops, now we're arriving at a collection of Warungs here on the beach. First one is called Titties Warung. So there's the name up above there, Titties. An outside seating area here on the beach. Some customers there at the front. You can see there's a few customers here also. All your warungs just all along the back here. Nai Putu Warung, this one's called. This one's a place called Jackfish. Hello brother, how are you?
I'm at Jackfish, brother.
Welcome. A few customers here at Jackfish.
Seafood, Indonesian.
Seafood menu. Western as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Seafood, Indonesian, Western menu, the guy says here. That's all at Jackfish. Continue walking through here. have Warung Putu de Below, Warung Nessa here. Warung Nessa Semawang, Warung Bu Novi. Just a big collection of local warungs here on the beach. Warung Waru.
Yeah, and for my friends. Dia bayar.
So you can buy pretty much a bit, particularly Indonesian food. There is Western food available as well. You've got a big collection of drinks here. All your bintangs, all your soft drinks. Bottles of water. Also have some cold ones in the fridge there. Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta. Cold beers also. How are you, madam? See, there's quite a few tourists sat in this area here. Oh, this one looks quite popular here. There's a big group of tourists sat on the beach there. You can see you also have lighting as well available, so you're not sat in the darkness. Enjoy the crystal chill.
Yes, sir. Bloody cold bintang.
Bloody cold bintang. And then that's as far as I'm going to walk in this sunset video here. So we didn't have too much of a sunset, but we had a nice stroll anyway. Okay, so that concludes this early evening video from here at Semawang Beach here in the Sanur area of Bali. So as you've seen with the camera, I started at the Prama, so we've taken in the Prama, we've taken in the Puri Santrian, so you've got two fabulous resort areas in this Semawang Beach area of Sanur, all the way through to the local Warungs at the end of the video. So as the camera's showing you in tonight's video, you've got two fabulous resorts there, you've got some fabulous restaurants and things in this area. You've got the Warungs, what I featured at the end of the video. All in all, this is just a really popular place and area to stay for your holiday stay here in Sanur, Bali. So on that note, hope you've enjoyed this early evening walk here in Sanur at Semawang Beach. Hope some of you find this video useful and get the opportunity to pay some of these places a visit during your stay here in Sanur, Bali. And I shall say bye for now.